This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Hi-Ho. Nestled in the heart of Milton, this charming property offers 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms across a spacious 1,008 square feet. Floor plan. Step inside to discover a beautifully updated interior, featuring new flooring, updated appliances, bathrooms. The living room provides a welcoming space for relaxation, while the kitchen and dining area is perfect for culinary adventures. Outside, the property boasts a fenced yard, patio, garden space, and spacious land. Don't miss the opportunity to make this house your home. Contact us today to schedule a showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Hi-Ho at 850-356-1126.